Hi guys, today's August 14, Wednesday. My name is TL and I'm a full-time cryptocurrency trader. Let's get right into Bitcoin so I can share my thoughts with you guys. So, if you guys were watching Bitcoin yesterday, we broke out of this trend line. This trend line failed horribly. Chart is very bearish. And if you remember me saying that if this support breaks, then I plan on playing a scalping long at 10,300. We didn't quite reach here yet. I have a small position that I got in this region, and I plan on laddering maybe once or twice in this region with a stop loss about 3%. It'll be less than that because if everything gets filled, it'll be about 2% stop loss, and I can have about 3.5 to 4% take profit. But I'm seeing a lot of sell volume, so 10,300, although it's a very high probability for a small bounce, it wouldn't make it bullish unless we trend back into this parallel channel. If I see any resistance at this channel, then I will just close my longs in this area. But if I see the price testing back into this channel and possibly breaking above 10,800, then I will hold my position to test top of this channel or this resistance here as well at 11,900. So to make it very clear, let's see our resistance. So 11,600 is also a good resistance. If we break above 11,600, then I highly believe that we're likely to see 12,300, which was our previous high. And of course, it'll be nice to confirm 12K once we break out of this trend line. And on the bigger picture, of course, we cannot forget about our big parallel channel. So as you can see, this 11,600 region is a very critical resistance. It's a 618 Fibonacci of our correction structure right here. We have this big parallel channel coming down, and we have another trend line. It goes like this. And all of these resistance come together in this very specific structure. So if we are able to break out of 11,600, if this resistance fails, then we are likely to test our previous highs. Even here is very highly likely, 13,000 to 13,500. So for Bitcoin to be bullish, 11,600 is our very critical resistance. In terms of support, I plan on, well, I'm already in a small position. I plan on adding a little bit more to my position in this area to play a small bounce. If this area breaks, if this support fails at 10,300, I'm going to carefully watch this zone and this zone for a play. And at this point, I'm not really interested in shorting until price comes here. If 9100 support fails and if price is trending below 9100, then I'll catch a short for a major fall. But until then, 9100 is a very, very strong and critical support for me. So I'm definitely going to try to catch a position somewhere in between 9800 to 9100. If I do catch one here, I'll have a very tight stop loss of somewhere around 95 to 9600. And I'll prepare bigger for 9100 region because this is a very critical, strong support for me. So simple. Critical resistance. 10,600. Oh no, 11,600. My bad. Which is here. This is a critical resistance, 11,600. And critical support is here. 9,100. So I think that covers it for today. Bitcoin critical resistance 11,600. If resistance fails, we're likely to see 13,000. Critical support is at 9,100. If 9,100 fails, then we're going to be super, super bearish, and I'll find out our targets to catch any longs or close our shorts down here if we test 9,100. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Bye-bye.